Today on Mike Attempts, installing a vibration isolator kit on a garage door opener. Turn the power off to the garage door opener and position a ladder directly beneath the motor. A towel will provide protection against scratches. Remove the nuts and bolts holding both sides of the motor to the mounting bracket and lower it down to the towel. If you don't have enough slack to drop the motor, you'll have to remove the safety sensor wires. Adjust the vertical mounting bracket supports to accommodate for the thickness of the rubber vibration isolators. Reinstall the bolts, but wait to completely tighten them until the motor has been remounted. The vibration isolator kit only comes with one nut and one lock washer for each isolator, so you'll have to reuse the nuts that were on the original bolts. I also grabbed two more lock washers so there would be one on each side of the isolators. I incorrectly assumed I'd need to move both vertical supports out one hole, but that ended up being too wide, so I moved the right one back to its original location. Tighten the nuts on both sides of each isolator until the lock washers are flat. Finish up by tightening the mounting bracket bolts and reconnecting the safety sensor wires. Here's a better view of the installed vibration isolators from above. Turn the power back on and test the opener. Looking good. Since I already have my ladder out, I might as well clean and lube the track, spring, and hinges for the best possible outcome. I'll start by cleaning the spring with some rubbing alcohol. Next, I'll clean the entire rail that runs from the wall all the way back to the motor. I'll be lubricating everything with this silicone-based lubricant that dries to attack-free film. After applying, just wipe off any excess. Clean the tracks on both sides, wait for them to dry, and apply the lube. Lube all rollers on both sides, as well as all hinges. It's also a good idea to check that all the bolts are snug. If necessary, you can adjust the tension of the drive belt using the nut shown to the left of the spring. You can also adjust how far up or down the door goes by turning these weight plastic screws. The vibration isolator kit noticeably reduced vibration in the room above the garage and also reduced the sound by around 12 decibels. Check the description below for links to the parts I used. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.